My name is Stephanie Weeks, and I am a loan officer. Doesn't sound too exciting, does it? The exciting part of that is I get to help so many people purchase or refinance the home of their dreams for themselves and or their families. I have created a course called Mortgage Peace, because what does everyone want? What I've figured out after 16 years of experience is everyone wants a peaceful transaction with a smooth and on-time closing. So why should you listen to me when there are actually over 300,000 loan officers in the US? Number one, I'm super passionate about what I do. Number two, I actually have thousands of clients that I have assisted, thousands of happy clients. For the last several years running, I have actually been named in the top 1% in the nation for production in mortgage loans. So that puts me in the top 1% of those 300,000 loan officers that I mentioned. Are you worried about going through a mortgage process and maybe getting a bad rate? Are you worried about maybe not closing on time? Are you worried about overpaying in fees? That can all be avoided by educating yourself. And that's what I hope to do. If you take the Mortgage Peace course, you will have the tools, knowledge, and opportunity to save yourself tens of thousands of dollars by avoiding the wrong choice. You will save yourself the pain and heartache of thinking that you're going to a closing next week and it's getting canceled because the loan's not approved. If you take this course, you will not be disappointed. And I guarantee you that if you take this course and do the work, I guarantee that you will save thousands of dollars, or I will give you your money back. If you go and take the inaccurate steps or do the inaccurate order of steps, you could very easily go write a contract on a home, put down $1,000 deposit, earnest money, good faith, it's called a few things, that you could potentially lose, pay for inspections, which could be $400 or $500, pay for an appraisal, which could be $500, maybe more. You could spend all that money and not even get the home of your dreams. So you can't afford not to get this course. You will not be disappointed. There is no time like now to invest in yourself and your future. For a limited time, if you sign up for the course, I will be personally walking everyone through the course, and you will have my personal attention as well. I'm only going to be going through this course live and one-on-one for 30 days. If you don't sign up now, you could miss the opportunity. You have no idea how happy I am to go through this process with you. So I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for checking out this information, and I will see you soon.